2 App Network Setup Guide. How to download the app. 1. Scan the QR code below to install. 2. Or search for 2 or 2 Smart in your phone's app store to download and install. 1. Register and log into the app account. New users should register an account first. Existing users can log in with their account password or use the login with WeChat option. Turn on Bluetooth in your phone settings. Tap MIM, then tap the edit icon in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the current app page, select Privacy Settings, and grant all options to the 2 Smart app. Note: we will not invade your personal privacy. Select Home Management, create a home, edit your home name, then tap Save. Two. Operate the smart lock and phone to enter pairing mode. Wake up the screen, press the *# key to enter the system, press 4 for network settings, then press the # key to confirm. The smart lock has now entered pairing mode. On the home screen, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner, then tap Add Device, select Camera Lock, then tap Door Lock. Check the box for Enable Bluetooth pairing, then tap Next. A window will appear to enter Wi-Fi information. Note: you must select 2.4 grams Wi-Fi. 5 grams Wi-Fi is not supported. Enter the password, then tap Next. Wait for the device to be added. Once successfully added, tap Done. The phone is now successfully connected to the lock, and the screen will automatically jump to the operation page. 3. Remote Unlock. Press the doorbell button. A request to unlock will pop up on the phone's home screen. Tap Remote Unlock on the screen, then tap Confirm to remotely unlock the door with one tap. 4. Temporary Dynamic Password. Swipe right to Temporary Dynamic Password. Tap Generate on the screen to randomly generate an 8-digit password. Tap Copy Password to use the temporary password for unlocking. 5. Alarms. Tap the alarm icon to view alarm and doorbell alert messages. 6. Member Management. Tap the Member Management icon to view family members and add new members. 7. Delete Device. Tap the icon in the upper right corner, tap Remove Device, select Unbind and Clear Data, then tap Confirm to delete the device.